Temu, right? I'm sure you have. It is this awesome website where you can get stuff super duper cheap, and it even ships really fast. I got this order in about a week. I've ordered from similar companies like this in the past, and it can take up to like 6 to 8 weeks or longer to get what you ordered. So I thought it'd be fun to show you everything I bought and do a haul if I can get it all out. So everything in this little bag costs less than $50, and I got lots of things in here, so I'm so excited to show you. So let's get started. This is an electric eyelash curler. And then I got this, it's the little foam thing you put over your head and you wrap your hair around it to make it curly. I got this and some air fryer papers, protectors, not protectors, you know what I mean. A strainer. And then let's break into this baggie here. I have an egg separator and a lint remover and those little blemish zit stickers. Got some of those. I think this is the cuticle oil. More zit stickers. And this is a cleaner for your eyeglasses. And this is a privacy stamp. Ooh, and a little sweeper for my keyboard so I can keep my keyboard nice and clean. A beaded wood tassel. Some little rollers. Some double-sided adhesive. Ooh, this one's secret. It's in a white bag. Let's see. Oh, this is it's a utility knife, but it kind of looks like a pocket knife. I'll use this a ton. And, oh, I know what this is. Hang on, I gotta open it. It's the little honey lip stuff. And it has a cute little applicator. And it just goes on like so. And then I got a cute little doggy toy for my doggy. And another cute little doggy toy for my doggy. And I got this pencil that has measuring on it in inches and centimeters that I will definitely use. And have you guys seen these? They are like little mini claw machines. I thought it looked like so much fun as I got a little mini claw machine. And oh, this is a cleaning pen, so like I can clean out my earbuds. And then this is another little fidget toy. This one's a basketball, so you can shoot baskets. And I'm still going, you guys. All of this for less than $50. This is, oh, it lets you hold your, like it lets you hold your power strip. So I'm gonna use this on my craft table. And then we have, this was an exfoliating sponge. Get rid of all that dead skin. And these, I thought these were so cute. They're like spoons, but they're shovels. How fun is that? Those are super cute. And this is, oh, this is eyeshadow. Got some pretty eyeshadow for my eyes. And then a little, okay, some of the stuff that I got was silly, but hey, that's what makes it so fun. So we're gonna open this up. It's a chicken keychain, but look at what it does when you squeeze it. It's so gross. And then last but not least is this, if I can open it. It's a tape measure. Look, it's a tape measure. How cool is that? Then you just push the button and it goes right back in. I can't believe that all of this stuff cost less than $50. So make sure and download that Temu app and go explore. There are so many fun things on the website that you can purchase for dirt cheap. Go check it out. Thanks, Temu.